What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우.
And Ashley, goodbye.
Goodbye. Today we are going to Fall Festival at Ashley's school. I will show you when we get there. See you soon. We are here at Ashley's school. The Fall Festival starting 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. We are a little bit early. 10 minutes early. Hold on. There is someone called Ashley's school friend. Where's Mr. Ray? Two hands.
May I get 13 seconds? Yes, of course, the first reel. Thank you. I just need the punch.
And the ticket. Yes,
go.
thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Mr. Russo.
I don't want to hold up the line.
Yeah. Put in the ticket. This game, what the heck?
You know? Okay, let's start
Yay! Say thank you. See you Monday.
I don't even know.
The other people are away.
I got you.
Can I do stuff with my
Go
classmates?
inside the here. Yep.
Actually,
You can stay here.
Alright, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a few of them not stick, so I'm trying to.
Magic, please. Yeah.
There?
Yes, ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
let's wait for her.
Show your face.
Let's go inside of the lunch.
Why? You go keep walk so we can go other places.
No.
Where do you want to go? This one?
Walk
This
like
one?
fine.
Huh?
Thank you, baby.
right, here you go. I'll hold the other two for you.
I got slime. Look what I
Oh, so close. 1, 2, 3. Ah, what the heck? Get one, last one, please. What the? You didn't get any.
Thank you so much. You're the best. I want to play again. Oh, that was good.
Yeah. Ah, no. Ah, give me last one. Ah, hey. Go, grab the ball. Yeah, that's a high number. Go. Oh, try in the center. Ah, not bad. Say thank you. Thank you.
I can buy you one. No. That's it. I'm buying you one. Because I know you want to play. No, I don't. I don't know. I don't have anything in mind. Because my mind is insanity. You're so terrible at this, Mom. Hi, how are you?
Alright, so a sucker and we're going to see it as a black dot, okay? Go ahead. Oh, you get to keep the sucker, okay? So,
That's it? Ah, thank you. Yeah. Why it's so empty here?
Because probably didn't open yet. What time is it?
Ah, what time they open?
6 o'clock.
Is that Mrs. Ak? Drop the ball?
Yeah, you do. I am. Nice. The same thing. You have to go to the other hoops too. I said you have to go to the other hoops too. You just kind of keep doing that. Mom, I just said you have to go to the other hoops too. Too much time, you don't know what
Did you have fun?
Yes, ma'am. Are you worn out? Yes, ma'am.
We're going to try filling the... Have fun. Let's go. Did you have fun?
Downstairs is my.
Oh, I know.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye-bye.